Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. We're back out on the early ice here in Michigan. It's just starting to freeze up around GR here. So we're gonna try out a couple different lakes and ponds today. We're gonna drop in here. Cooper is out with me today. He just popped these two holes. We're just gonna quick check if anything's here and then be on our way and hole hop until we get on a decent bite. Okay guys, just had an awesome start with that big boy. Gonna get right back down, see if we can get some of his buddies. Looks like there's a couple other fish down there. Seeing anything? Oh, here comes one. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Yep, not as big. Oh, geez. Still a good one though. And look at that jig, guys. Gone forever, as Aaron Hernandez would say. There we go. Well, that is fish number 2 so far. I'm really liking the average size. We're gonna get him right back down. Here we go. Big and all over it. Oh, it's huge. There we go. Dude, that's huge. No! At the transducer. Pulling the transducer out of the way. Oh, I'm suicidal. Another big one. Very large, dude. Oh, it's a bass. I was gonna say. I think that's what that last one was too. Unhealthy little sucker. I think it was the same one, the way they flew up. Oh, buddy. Buddy. Down she goes. I was hoping.
He's like, no, I don't want to go back.
I was hoping for the MAGNUM gill, but I'm glad I think I know what it was because he flew up at it just like he did before. All over it. There's like 4. Got him? Yeah. I think my line's wrapped around my rod tip. Ooh, not small. Oh he came in hot off the bottom. He's got that forehead.
Yeah, it must be nice. I lost everything.
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh.
Oh! 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 Yeah! Get him! Dude, that's a unit.
That's a unit of a crappie for sure.
Yo.
Because I saw him.
Yeah,
right in the middle of the water
hole.
Yeah, I was like, dude, he
That's
just ran
so
right
hot.
through. And he came up real quick on it.
Got weird with it?
Oh, he got weird with it. That was a weird fight though, but there we go.
Let me get a little boy. Oh, that's nice.
Thunder back?
Yep. Triple cam release.
Triple cam.
Oh, solid.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Big one, big one, big one. Oh, that's giant. That's giant. Oh, mama. Yeah. Yeah. All right, there's some double action. I don't know who's bigger.
Here's just
Mine a little bit.
Yeah. Mine's just
Nothing crazy, but good colors on both these suckers.
Beauties.
There we go. Oh, it's another good one. Come on up, big girl. Oh, it's a largemouth. Woo! Not a bad one. All right, chill out, bro. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that was just...
Wait for it. Wait for it. Bam!
Yeah, here comes a little guy flying up. Not super little at all. Oh, it's not little. Ah! That might be the biggest of the day. No way.
That's
Yo.
what we're talking about.
What is up with you? Yo, that. Oh,
I swear.
that's the biggest perch I've ever seen.
Really?
I've never seen a perch that big. That's
a
insane.
jumbo. 10, 11 inches? I mean, he's not that big.
He's just wicked fat.
He's really fat.
I bet he's 12. I think this one is quite large. Yeah, that's a tank. Holy cow.
Yeah. Dang.
Well, down he goes. Trying to get a thumbnail, but see you later.
Oh.
Dang, dude. Some fat bobcats. They're starting to eat it way worse, though. They're not choking it anymore. You can tell they've had a little bit of pressure. Here he comes. Not big. Never mind. It's hard to tell. Another one. Good colors on that girl. Oh, oh, oh. Get her right back down. We'll see him come in here in a second, hopefully. They were just a bunch down there. See it coming from below?
Yeah.
Little guy. See him all over it? There we go. I don't think he's huge. He might be pretty good. Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, you good.
Got potential. Nope. Nope. Came up high for it.
He's disappointed with the 8-inch bluegill.
Yeah. That's when you know you're having a good day. Coming up so slow on it. Come on, come on. Don't do it to me. There's another one coming though. Bigger one.
Bigger blunt.
I swear if you catch my big one.
Oh, he's got it.
Yeah, I know.
He got it.
Thanks, good sir.
Sure.
Please be not a gill, and it's a big old gill. Bright sucker.
Pumpkin seed.
Big old pumpkin seed. I mean, the colors on that sucker.
Wicked.
Wicked. Cutie McGee.
Amateur.
Amateur.
So not what I had last time.
Down she goes. Alrighty guys, that is gonna wrap up the day. Cooper sliding around. I'm cold. Henry's catching some fish. So that is gonna be it. It was definitely a banger day. Buddy over here made the most of it, catching 2 pretty jumbo perch and a good crappie. And there were a bunch of really big gills in there too, so can't complain there. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. We will catch you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching.